Have you ever dreamt of leaving everything behind, starting fresh in a new country, embracing a new culture, and creating a life full of possibilities? For many, this dream turns into reality, but what happens when that new life isn't what they expected? In today's documentary, we'll dive deep into 12 countries where people often find themselves questioning, did I make the right choice? Let's begin with Venezuela, a country once known for its vast oil wealth and vibrant culture. But in recent years, it has become synonymous with economic collapse and political turmoil. Hyperinflation has rendered the local currency almost worthless, making everyday necessities scarce. Crime rates are alarmingly high, with Caracas being one of the most dangerous cities in the world. Imagine a life where even the most basic items, like food and medicine, are hard to come by, and safety is a constant concern. How would you cope in a place where survival becomes your daily focus? Next, Saudi Arabia, a land of contrasts where ancient traditions meet rapid modernization. The promise of high salaries and tax-free income draws many expatriates to this kingdom. But the reality? The country's strict adherence to Islamic law governs every aspect of daily life. For many, the lack of personal freedoms, especially for women, can be stifling. There's a deep cultural divide between locals and foreigners, making it difficult to truly integrate. Could you adapt to a society where every aspect of your life is dictated by religious rules? Number 3, Nigeria. Nigeria, a country full of potential, rich in resources, and brimming with entrepreneurial spirit. Yet it's also a place of stark contrasts. Corruption is deeply entrenched, and the infrastructure often struggles to keep up with the demands of a rapidly growing population. Power outages are a daily occurrence, and security issues plague many regions. The traffic in cities like Lagos can be nightmarish, turning simple commutes into hours-long ordeals. Would you be able to thrive in a country where navigating daily life requires resilience and adaptability? Number 4, India. India, a land of incredible diversity, where tradition and modernity collide. For those unprepared, the cultural shock can be overwhelming. The sheer noise, crowds, and pace of life in cities like Delhi and Mumbai are unlike anything else. Bureaucracy is notorious here, often leading to long waits and seemingly endless paperwork. Pollution levels in some cities are among the worst in the world, posing serious health risks. Could you find your place in a society where the rules and rhythms of life are so different from what you're used to? Number 5, Russia. Russia, a country with a rich history and a culture steeped in tradition. But living here as a foreigner presents its own set of challenges. The Russian language is notoriously difficult to learn, and outside of major cities, English is rarely spoken. The political climate can feel oppressive, and there's a pervasive sense of mistrust towards outsiders. The winters are harsh, with temperatures often plunging well below freezing, adding to the difficulty of daily life. How would you adjust to a place where you might always feel like an outsider, both linguistically and culturally? Number 6, Brazil. Brazil, a country of passion, beauty, and rhythm, where the spirit of carnival lives year-round. But beneath the surface, there are significant challenges. The divide between rich and poor is stark, and crime, particularly in urban areas, is a serious concern. Corruption is widespread, affecting everything from politics to daily transactions. The healthcare system, while accessible, often struggles with underfunding and long wait times. Would you feel secure in a place where inequality fuels crime and personal safety is a daily concern? Number 7, China. China, a country of ancient wisdom and rapid modernization. For many, the opportunity to live in one of the world's fastest-growing economies is enticing. But the reality can be jarring. The language barrier is immense, with Mandarin being one of the most difficult languages to learn. The government's tight control over the internet and media, along with widespread surveillance, can make life here feel restrictive. The pace of life is fast, and the pressure to succeed is intense. Could you thrive in a society where freedom and privacy are secondary to progress and control? Number 8, South Africa. South Africa, a land of incredible natural beauty and a rich tapestry of cultures. Yet it's also a place of deep social and economic divides. The legacy of apartheid still looms large, with inequality and racial tensions present in daily life. Crime rates are high, particularly in urban areas, and security concerns are a constant. Despite its many attractions, the challenges of living here, such as high unemployment and a struggling public sector, can be overwhelming. How would you navigate life in a country where beauty and hardship are inextricably linked? Number 9. Egypt. Egypt, the cradle of civilization, offers a rich cultural experience like no other. But living here as an expat can be challenging. The political instability of recent years has left the country on edge, with periodic unrest and economic difficulties. The bureaucracy is complex and often slow-moving, making simple tasks frustrating. Pollution, especially in Cairo, is a significant issue, and the cultural differences can be difficult to navigate. What if the allure of Egypt's ancient history isn't enough to counterbalance the realities of modern life? Number 10. Turkey. Turkey is a country that straddles two continents, offering a unique blend of Eastern and Western cultures. However, recent political developments and economic challenges have made life here more difficult. The freedom of speech and expression has been increasingly restricted, leading to a tense atmosphere. The economy, once strong, has been struggling, with high inflation and unemployment rates. How would you cope in a country that's undergoing significant changes, where uncertainty is the only constant? Number 11. Mexico. Mexico, with its vibrant culture and stunning landscapes, is a popular destination for expatriates. Yet it's also a country with deep-seated issues. Crime and corruption are pervasive, particularly in certain regions, making safety a primary concern for many. The healthcare system, while improving, still faces significant challenges, particularly in rural areas. For those used to a more stable and predictable environment, the challenges of living in Mexico can be daunting. Could you enjoy the beauty of Mexico if you were always mindful of its underlying dangers? Number 12. Greece. Greece, with its rich history and stunning landscapes, seems like an ideal place to live. But the ongoing economic crisis has taken a toll on the country. High unemployment rates, particularly among the youth, and a struggling economy have left many questioning their decision to move here. Bureaucracy is notoriously slow, making it difficult to navigate the system for even basic services. The cost of living has risen while wages have stagnated. Could you find happiness in a country where economic uncertainty is a daily reality? Is a no-no for me. Moving to a new country is one of the most significant decisions you can make. It's a journey filled with excitement, challenges, and the unknown. But as we've seen, the reality of living in a foreign land can be vastly different from the dream. It's essential to do thorough research, understand the cultural and social landscape, and be prepared for the unexpected. At the end of the day, the decision to move abroad is deeply personal. It's about finding a place that feels right for you, where you can build a life that aligns with your values and goals. So, if you're considering a move, ask yourself, are you ready to embrace the unknown? Are you prepared to adapt to a new way of life, with all its ups and downs? Salam. Let us know what you think in the comment section on what you think. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more documentaries that explore the world and the stories of those who live in it. Where would you move if you had the chance? What challenges do you think you'd face? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, every journey is an adventure, but it's up to you to make the most of it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, comment, and share this video if you find it informative.